Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most simple and delicious garlic bread you're ever going to eat. Every time I make it, people flip out and love it and want the recipe because it is delicious. This is a short, sweet video, so stick around and watch because it's really fast. So start with 1 stick of softened butter. Okay, it has to sit out for at least an hour or two so that it's completely soft. Okay, and kind of press it with a spoon. And to that, we're gonna add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. If you don't like it super garlicky, you can cut the garlic back a little bit. All right. To that, we're gonna add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And I have 7 large fresh basil leaves that I've chopped up from my son's beautiful garden. Secret weapon right here, fresh basil. Make sure you put it in. Dried is not gonna cut it. Fresh herbs are the best. All right, and then mix that around. Okay, and then you're also gonna add some olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil, just to get it a little smoother. Okay, mix until it's nice and creamy. I used organic butter, a little healthier. And then you're gonna use a French bread, 1 French bread loaf, or you could use ciabatta or whatever your pleasure is. I like to cut it in half so it's not quite as long, and then right down the middle as evenly as you can. Okay, you can keep it connected like that or split it apart, it doesn't matter. And then you're just gonna go ahead and load it up with this delicious buttery, garlicky, basil-y topping. And garlic bread is great because it is like the ultimate side dish, right? Goes great with pasta, goes great with, any sort of meat, goes great with soup and salad. So, and it's a really inexpensive, delicious, and hearty side dish. I have 7 kids, and so in order to fill them up on a semi-tight budget when they were growing up, I would always serve like homemade breads with every meal, and that usually got everybody pretty full since they couldn't always have seconds. Okay, and then optional, but I like to take a little fresh Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it over the top. You could use dried Parm also. It's good with no cheese at all. I've done it both ways. Okay, so a light sprinkling of that. And then go ahead and put it on a baking sheet. Ooh, and this is gonna go in a 375-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and golden and crispy and the cheese is bubbly. So I'll be back. Okay, the bread's done. It smells amazing in here. I baked it a total of 17 minutes so that it got nice and golden and crispy. So I'm just gonna cut it in slices and serve it to my wonderful family. You absolutely wanna make this recipe because it is delicious. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching and have yourself a very blessed day.